Is learning data engineering on Coursera worth it in 2026? If you're thinking about becoming a data engineer or upgrading your technical skills, this review will help you decide whether Coursera is the right platform. Before we begin, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. One of the biggest strengths of Coursera is the variety of data engineering programs. Whether you're a complete beginner or already have experience, you can find a learning path that matches your skill level. For beginners, I recommend the IBM Data Engineering Professional Certificate. It's one of the most popular programs on Coursera and teaches Python, SQL, Linux, ETL, Apache Spark, Hadoop, NoSQL databases, and data pipelines through hands-on projects. If you already have some experience, the DeepLearning.AI Data Engineering Professional Certificate is an excellent next step. It focuses on modern data engineering concepts like Apache Airflow, data modeling, data lakes, ETL, and scalable data pipelines. Another major advantage is that many programs include practical projects instead of only video lessons. You'll build real data pipelines, work with cloud technologies, and develop portfolio projects that can strengthen your resume. So, is Coursera worth it for data engineering? I think the answer is yes. The platform offers beginner, intermediate, and advanced learning paths from trusted providers like IBM, DeepLearning.AI, Google Cloud, Snowflake, and other industry leaders. That makes it one of the best places to build job-ready data engineering skills. If you only want one certificate, purchasing it individually may be enough. But if you also want to learn cloud computing, AI, Python, SQL, machine learning, or data science, Coursera Plus offers much better value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from top companies and universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, bringing the price down from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're serious about building a career in data engineering, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If this review helped you, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.